Welcome to Bose's Academy. This is my lecture number 4. It is all about crushing efficiency and mechanical efficiency. Watch till the end. If any queries, please comment me in the comment section. Also, notes are provided in my Telegram channel. Please like and subscribe if you get the knowledge about all that. Thank you. So now our lecture 4 is about crushing efficiency and mechanical efficiency. So now, what is crushing efficiency? It is defined as the ratio of the surface energy created by the crushing to the energy absorbed by the solid. So crushing efficiency का मतलब होता है कि surface energy created by solids divided by energy absorbed by the solids. In mathematical terms, we can write it as eta C is equals to ES AB minus AA whole bracket divided by Wn, where eta C is equals to crushing efficiency, Wn is equals to energy absorbed by the material in joule per kg, Es is the surface energy per unit area, that is joule per meter square, AB is the area of product, and AA is the area of feed in meter square. Now most of the mechanical energy stored in the material is converted into the heat and thus crushing efficiency is low. मतलब जितना भी मैकेनिकल एनर्जी कोई भी मटेरियल में स्टोर होता है क्रशिंग के दौरान, तो वो सारा हीट के फॉर्म में डिसिपेट हो जाता है. सो हमारा क्रशिंग एफिशिएंसी जो है वो कम आता है. ऑल्सो वी कैन से दैट द एनर्जी अब्सॉर्ब्ड बाय द सॉलिड्स, दैट इज Wn, इज लेस देन एनर्जी सप्लाइड टू द मशीन. जितना हम इनपुट दे रहे हैं, एनर्जी दे रहे हैं, उससे जो एनर्जी अब्सॉर्ब हो रहा है Wn, वो हमेशा कम रहेगा इसका इस फॉर्म में. पार्ट ऑफ द टोटल एनर्जी टू द इनपुट टू द मशीन इज यूटिलाइज्ड टू ओवरकम द फ्रिक्शन ऑफ बेयरिंग्स एंड अदर पार्ट्स रिमेनिंग इन इज अवेलेबल फॉर क्रशिंग. सो क्रशिंग के टाइम पे जो भी बेयरिंग्स और अदर पार्ट्स है उसमें जो एनर्जी जाती है वो इनपुट एनर्जी से कम होती है. Now we are going to talk about mechanical efficiency. Mechanical efficiency is equals to energy absorbed by energy input. मतलब कितना हम एनर्जी इनपुट कर रहे हैं और कितना एनर्जी अब्सॉर्ब हो रहा है पार्टिकल से, उसका जो रेशियो है is known as mechanical efficiency. In mathematical form, we can say that eta m is equals to Wn by W. Eta m is equals to mechanical efficiency, Wn is equals to energy absorbed by the solid, W is equals to energy input to the machine. Now ये जो हमारे दो इक्वेशन है, इक्वेशन नंबर 6 and इक्वेशन नंबर 7, from that we can get W को हम यहाँ पे लेके गए. So eta m will W will be Wn by eta m, and Wn is equals to Es AB minus AA by eta C. Putting it in the equation, Wn की जगह पे इक्वेशन रखा and eta m as it is, we can get W work is equals to, that is energy input to the machine, is equals to Es AB minus AA eta m eta C. Further, from here we come that if m bar is the feed rate of solids to a machine, then power required by the machine is given by this equation. Now in this point it is said that जो हमें if feed rate जो है that is m bar, then हमारा जो equation बनेगा power के लिए that is given by this equation, that is P is power, W into m bar, that is energy into the feed rate, is equals to वर्क W की जगह पे एनर्जी जो इनपुट दिया मशीन की वो यहाँ से फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 8 वी पुट इट डायरेक्टली इन दिस इक्वेशन, इक्वेशन नंबर 9, एंड वी गेट दिस इक्वेशन दैट इज P इज इक्वल्स टू W डॉट m bar इज इक्वल्स टू m bar ES होल ब्रैकेट AB माइनस AA डिवाइडेड बाय eta C into eta m. Further, the specific surface is given by A is equal to 6 by 5 ds SP. As I have told in earlier lecture that phi is the sphericity, ds is volume surface mean diameter, Sp is equals to the density. of the given material. Volume surface mean diameter is used to specify particle size for a mixture particle. मतलब बहुत सारे मिक्सचर्स होते हैं पार्टिकल के, तो हम कोई भी इसी का एक डायमीटर नहीं ले सकते क्योंकि कभी छोटे होते कभी बड़े होते. So for that we require a mean diameter, and that of also volume surface mean diameter. As we count here the surface energy and energy absorbed, so we require the volume surface mean diameter, and it is calculated by this equation, that is specific surface is given by this equation. In that phi is the sphericity, and from this we can learn that how much our size reduction crushing efficiency is there, and how much mechanical energy means mechanical efficiency is we of the given equipment is there, and कितना energy power हमें consume हो रहा है वो भी इधर से हम calculate कर सकते हैं. And from Bond's law, Kick's law, we can calculate the power requirement, and from that we can count the we can estimate the cost. Here I conclude.